Moje ime je Loic, prihajam iz severa Francije. V Sloveniji sem že 2 leti in sem učitelj francoščine. S prijateljem sem ustanovil tudi podjetje in ime je Sweet Pumpking. The idea went through a really long process. I mean, it took me 1 year, more or less. I like traveling, meeting new people. I like food, like discovering new tastes and specialties. And so this was actually the concept, and I had to translate it into a project. But the point is, I had to find out where the opportunities and where to sell, what kind of product and where to sell them. And then I talked with one friend, and we decided to set up the company together. So the exact concept is selling or commercializing local and handmade product from Europe. So it can be from every country from Europe, but we had to open the door. We had to start with some countries, and we decided to do that with Slovenia because I'm already living here. Because I think that Slovenia are really talented for woodcraft, for specialties, for oil. There is already a market for pumpkin oil in France, for bouche oil, because we have already this kind of product. So if there is this kind of product existing already in one market, and if you see like your competitors, moving in this way as well, it means something. There is something to do. Yeah, actually, I came here because I fell in love with someone. That's the correct story. And just after my studies, I decided to come here, to move here in Slovenia. And yeah, a few months later, I got not a job, but an Erasmus for young entrepreneur, and I did it for linkage.com, which is like a company which belonged to GoOpti. The idea was to sell free capacities in retirement homes, like luxury retirement home for elderly, in to help them to go abroad and for living or for some holidays or traveling or whatever. Yeah, I think is whatever your country you go, no matter the experience, if it's good or not, I think it will just change the perspective of life, your perspective of life, and you will maybe think things differently. You will change your perspective. So in some way it will help you for your personal growth. But I think it also depends your personality. It also depends if you really want to integrate. It really depends if you are curious about things. So I think these are all the factors that can influence you as well, and also your experience in another country.